Welcome. This is an instructional video about responding to an incomplete letter in EPIMS when your notification has been deemed incomplete. First, locate the EPIMS login page by entering epims.wildlife.ca.gov or by using one of the links in the department's Lake and Streambed Alteration or Cannabis Programs related web pages. Once you're on the EPIMS login page, please log in using your user ID and password. Once you're on the main menu, find the link that says Notifications in the sidebar. This is where all your current notifications are located. Now you'll find and select the notification you need to make changes to by using the search tool. Click on the title of the notification. Click Edit Notification. This will bring you to a list of forms that the scientist who reviewed your notification deemed incomplete. Only the forms for which you need to make changes will show up in this list. If the form is not on the list, no changes are needed for that form. Please have the information about the incomplete notification nearby when you fill out the necessary information. Here is an example of an incomplete letter. As you can see, there were 4 forms that the scientist reviewed and deemed incomplete. The names of each match the names of the forms in your notification in EPIMS. Heading back to EPIMS, we can see that the same 4 forms are listed here that need more information. First, I'll click on the project location and category form. I'll scroll down and I'll add information here as requested. Let's say for this I needed to update the zip code. I'll update that and hit Save Row. Make sure everything else looks correct and click Mark as Complete. When you scroll back down to the list, you'll see that this first form that we just added more information to has the check mark that it's marked as complete. I'll continue adding the requested information for each form. Click Edit Form. I'll add my details as requested by the scientist. I'll hit Save Form. I'll scroll back down and make sure to mark it as complete. Continue adding all details for the forms that were deemed incomplete. Once you're done and you have marked all forms as complete, as you can see here by the check marks, I can go ahead and resubmit my notification by clicking the Submit Here button. It will ask you if you've completed all the sections and if you're ready to submit. And as long as you're all set to go, you can click Submit. If you experience issues with EPIMS or have general EPIMS related questions that you'd like to ask, please feel free to reach out to us by email at epimshelp@wildlife.ca.gov. Please contact the CDFW region where your project is located for specific questions regarding your project, including the status of your EPIMS self-certification, notification, agreement, status report, or fees. For general questions about CDFW's role in cannabis permitting, please send an email to askcannabis@wildlife.ca.gov. For general questions about the Lake and Streambed Alteration Program, please send an email to lsa@wildlife.ca.gov.